Good afternoon. Today is Monday, June 17th, 2024. I'm here at Julington Creek Pier 3, and this is Magic Carpet. I'm out here again because we had some concerns of barnacles on the waterline. So I'm going to go ahead and film the whole waterline and see what we can find. Okay, so actual barnacles I did not see. I did see a lot of barnacle glue, which is right here. Now, barnacle glue is basically, it's the very, very base of a barnacle. They are harder to get off. We can get them off, but then we do run the risk of doing anything with your paint, of basically taking that off quickly. I did see a lot of spots where the paints run thin, like right over here, and even up at the front of the catamaran, up at the bow, there are several spots where it looks like the paint is bubbling. That's when water can get through one part of the paint and basically causes a hole. And that's where you see those like raised areas that look white. So that might be what you saw and thought that they were barnacles, but I didn't physically see any actual barnacles on the waterline. I hope this helps. I hope it's informative. And as always, thank you for choosing DS Dive.